My name is Amy Mozingo. I'm taking this class to earn my master's in school leadership. This is my last class, and then I start my internship. I love the school I'm in, and I would like to recreate that love in the staff and the students with the school I would be an administrator in. So I'd like to take this class that'll help me to reproduce that kind of feeling and environment that we have, the school culture. I'm from Sussex County, and we love going to the beach and fishing. We have a boat, and we love fishing out on the river. This is my daughter, who is 13, and me. My twin boys that are 15, and my husband, who's a physical therapist assistant. And right now, I'm super excited because I just caught 2 swarms of bees, and they are happily in their beehives. So that was exciting. Have a great day, and I look forward to learning all about everyone and in this class. Thank you.